Before you begin, remove the access panel. Removal. Disconnect the combo jack audio PS2 module cable from the connector on the system board. Remove the Torx T15 screw that secures the module to the chassis. Lift and remove the module from the chassis. Replacement. Lower the combo jack audio PS2 module, sliding the tab on the bottom of the module into the cutout in the chassis. While supporting the module, replace the Torx T15 screw that secures the module to the chassis. Reconnect the cable to the connector on the system board.